Hello, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to start our last exercise of our syllabus. Okay, 14.6, and 14.6 is very important exercise. And in this exercise, we will learn how to construct an angle and how to take a bisector. Bisector of an angle. Everyone know bisector. Bisector mean mean two. Sector mean in two part. Bisector mean divide into two equal parts. Same as it is. Everyone know how will we take the bisector of a line? Bisector of a line mean divide it into two equal parts. Same as it is, we will learn how to take bisector of an angle. Till now we already learned how to take bisector of a line, and now we will learn how to take bisector of any angle. Okay, same as it is, bisector of a line and angle both are same. How will we draw? Look at, suppose, look at, it is only a rough work. Suppose it is an angle. Okay, we don't know. It is an angle. Suppose it is O and it is, suppose what is, you can say that, suppose it is R and it is S. Okay, and now it is, suppose P and it is any name you can give on. Okay, whatever you want. So now take the bisector of OSR. Bisector of OSR. Bisector mean divide into two equal parts. Same as it is, dear. We will open the compass more than of the half of the angle. So more than, everyone know, OSR is an angle. So put pointer at R and open more than half. It is more than or not. And now draw the arc like this one. Same as it is, without changing compass, we put at S and draw. And now where they are cross each other, they are intersect each other, we will join to an O point. So it is bisector. Bisector means this angle equal to these two angles, both are equal. It is very, very important here how to take bisector of any angle. One more time, I demonstrate it. What is? Suppose it is any angle is given. Okay, it is an angle. Take perpendicular bisector of this angle. How will we take? Open the compass more than half. Put pointer at here, open compass. Now it is less than half. It is less than half. Yes, it is more than half. Yes, you can draw once and second. And now we will join from here to here. So this part and this part both are equal. Both angles are equal. Understand? If you understand it, it is very, very easy exercise. Understand? So look at now question number 1. This step for the question number 1. Look at, draw POQ, and always remember one thing. Whenever in the question is given like this one, this is symbol of angle. In any question it is given, it is meaning angle. POQ. So it means angle. This symbol is symbol of angle, and whatever in middle angle we will make that point. Okay, because middle is O, so we will make it mean OQ and it is P. Understand? O, angle at O in middle. Understand it? So what we will do? So first we need OQ. You can make first a rough figure. Okay, draw a POQ. So you can make like this one, O, Q and P. So what is given? So first let's take OQ is any line. So first we take OQ is any line. OQ. Next it is O, it is Q. Next is given, draw POQ. How much POQ? 75 degree and 75 degree. So what we will do? 75 degree we will make by compass. Okay, look at, I tell you how will we make by compass also and how will we make by protractor also. Now we are doing by the protractor. So protractor, whenever we want to make how much, 75. So 75, always it is the middle of the protractor. Always put this pointer at a starting point. It is, and now, and this line, don't put like this one. Always this line along with line. Okay, it is along. Now 75. It is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 75 between 70 and 80. So it is. Understand? So make an angle POQ 75 at O with help of protractor. So we will make by protractor. Okay. So it is P. Okay. It is P. Now in the question given, find its line of symmetry. Line of symmetry, everyone know what is line of symmetry mean? Suppose it is a rectangle, everyone know line of symmetry mean which is divided into two equal parts. So it's mean line of symmetry, axis of symmetry, or bisector. If it is come in any question, it's mean both are same. All are same. Understand? So it's mean we have to take it's a bisector. So bisector, how will you do? Where we will open the compass more than half? So first we will draw an arc. Draw any arc with O. Yes, put at O and draw any arc, whatever you want to open, like this one, any one, whatever you want to. Suppose we open it is okay. Draw an arc, any arc with O as a center, with cut OQ line. OQ, yeah, it is OQ and OP at R. So OQ at R and it is S. Now it is an angle given. Now we have to find its line of symmetry. Line of symmetry mean bisector. So bisector always, how will we take of any angle? SOR. How will we take? It's mean always open the compass more than half. Take R and S as center. R as center with arc more than half. So we will open compass more than half. So more than half or not? Look at it is more than half. Yes. So draw arc 1. One's time is this one. And these arc more than half and draw the arc which cut at a T. So suppose this point is T. Understand? Now we will be join it. OTT. So fifth step. Join O to T. So O to T. So it is the angle which is so therefore OT is line of symmetry. Line of symmetry means divide into two. So it means this angle here to here and here to here, both angles are equal. Okay. This part and this part, both angles are equal. It is line of symmetry. It is line of symmetry. Understand it? Understand or not? Same as it is. Second question you will do yourself. Draw an angle of measure 147. So what we will do in 47? Same as it is. We will draw any line OQ. Let take. So direct you can take. Direct in this one you can write. Because we know what is angle 147. So you can write 1, 2, 3. So what you will do? Make an angle POQ. How much? 147. So 147 how will you take? With protractor. This one. It is O 147. It is 1. 0, 10, 20, 90, 100, 140, and it is 145 and 2 point more. So it is 147. You can draw. So it is. So now same as it is POQ. It is angle 147. So now we have to construct bisector. If we want to take its bisector, so we need one arc or not. Same as it is. Draw any arc with O as center and draw any arc. We draw. Everyone know like this one. Okay. Draw any arc with O as center with cut OQ at R and it is S. Now we want to take its bisector. So bisector always how will you take? Open, take R as center and more than half. Yes, it is more than half. Yes. So now draw. Now we will put here. Understand it? Now we join and it's positive. Same step. The same as it is of the question number 1. And draw the arcs which cut at T and join O to T. O to T. You can take O to T. So O2 is in the question number 2. What is given? Bisector. So OT is bisector of whose? POQ. Angle POQ. Understand it? Understand or not? So it is your answer. So understand how will we take the bisector? It is very, very important. Understand? Now our look at now again question number 3. Question number 3, same as it is, everyone know in 14.45 it is given divide a line in 4 equal parts. So 4 equal parts, how will we divide it? First in 2 equal parts by perpendicular bisector, again perpendicular bisector, again perpendicular. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Same as it is, draw an angle 153 and divide it into 4 equal parts. So 4 equal parts. Step you will write yourself. Okay, I am writing only just construction. I am showing you. So look at first step. First is make an angle how much? 153. So make 153 by protractor. We will make 153. Look at 153. Angle is 153. So 153 how will you make? Put pointer at it. Put the middle of the protractor at it. First point at the starting point. And 153. It is 150 and 160. It is. Look at the 150, 151, 152, 153. Okay. Understand? And join it. So we can write its name also same as it is name, you can write POQ. So what we will write in question number 3? Make an angle POQ 153 and we want to divide it into 4 equal parts. If you want to divide this angle 4 equal parts, first we need a arc. So with any radius, whatever you need, so we will draw an arc. We will draw an arc. So suppose it is R, it is S. So first we will divide it into 2 equal parts, and 2 equal parts everyone know how will we divide it. First open compass more than half. So it is more than half. Yes, it is very easy to open more than half. So now And now once time we put pointer at R, second time on S without changing the compass. It is in two equal parts. Okay. So two equal parts. Suppose it is, what is its name you will give? Suppose it is T. Now we will divide angle TOR in again two equal parts, same as it is in line. In line, first we will take two equal parts. Now again this line we will take in two equal parts, same as it is. So we will open compass more than half, R to T. R to T. More than half? Yes, it is more than half, of course. Now this one. Now its name also can be given. Suppose T, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Same as it is. So how many part? 1, 2. But it is 3 a bigger part. But we have to divide into 4 equal parts. So we will take again R, S and T. So more than half, yes. Now put at T. So you will join it. P, Q, R, S, T, V. So 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. We already learned it. Understand it? So it is your answer. Step you will write yourself. Okay? Step means whatever we are doing, we have to write it. Okay? Next is, now I think all of the questions rest of are very simple. But before it, you have to learn some more things. Look at. Now you have to remember the table of 15 and 30. Table of 15, 15 ones are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135 and 50. Okay? And now 30 table, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. Okay, and after this one you get in 15 table also you can write up to 150. Okay, 180, 165 and 180. Any angles if you observe in the question from the table of 15 and 30, you can make by compass. It is very simple to make by compass. We will learn now how to make by compass. If you understand it once a time, you can make all the question rest of do yourself. Okay? Do yourself. Okay. So what we will do? Look at first we are doing before this one question number 8 and 9. Question number 3, 5, 6, 7 all are same. We will do later. First we are doing 8 and 9. Okay? Look at 8 and 9. In next class we will learn this one. So what is? Draw an angle. So we observe 70 degrees. 70 degrees is not in table of 30 and 15. So we will make by protractor. Make a copy of it. Draw an angle of 70 degrees. So first step we will write. Draw an angle POQ 70 degree by using protractor. So first we will make POQ 70 degree. It is O, it is Q, and how much angle? 70 degree. We will make it. It is 70. Understand? So it is POQ. It is 70 degree. Now make a copy of it. Copy means we have to make one more angle of 70 degree using only a straight edge and compass. Now we will make a 70 degree by using of this one, which is already given, which is already made by protractor. Now we will make one more angle with the straight edge. So what is straight edge? It is straight edge of OQ. Understand? And compass of compass. So we will write first. So second step, what we will take? OQ we will take. So OQ. So in step you can write second step. Take an edge OQ. Understand? Now we have to make copy. Copy means both angle are 70 degree. How will you draw? So first we will measure it is how much. So you can draw any arc. Yes, it is 70 degree. Everyone know it is a 70 degree or not? Because whenever we want to take its bisector, we need an arc. Okay. So same as it is. This angle is 70 degree. So what we will do? Yes. So how will you make? Draw an angle of 70 degree. Make a copy of it using only a straight edge. So what we will do? So first, so take an edge OQ. So third step we will write. Take O edge center. Draw an arc with any radius. What is? With any radius. What I am telling you? Third step, take O as center. Take O as center and draw an arc with any radius. Whatever you want to open. We like this one. Okay. So we open it and like this one. Okay. So I open it and draw an arc. We draw an arc or not? Yes. So you can write which cut OQ at R point. Understand? You can give its name. Suppose it is L and understand? Now everyone know we want to make a copy. Copy means if it is 70, so it is also 70 degree. So we will measure. To write measure angle POQ by POQ. Its name you can give different because it is a copy we are making. So you can take a line XY. Take X as center. Okay. With cut XY at a R. So now measure POQ by compass. We measure it by compass. How will you measure it? From M to L, how much it is measured? Yes, we know this angle is this much or not? Yes. Now we observe this one angle how much? 70 degree. Because we already make by protractor. It is from here to here. It is 70 degree. Now put the pointer. We know from here to here. Where is? Maybe here 70, maybe here. So what we will do? Put pointer at R and open L to M and take as R as center, and now it is 70 degree. Now it is 70 degree, and now join X to its name also you can give S. So right, measure POQ by compass and with same radius. Take R take R, we take a center, take R as center, take R as center, and take R as center. I'm writing here, space problem. Take R as center and draw the arc. Take R as center. We take R as center and cut. Which cut? Which cut previous arc at A R C, arc at a S. Understand? And fifth step, join X to S. And now we join X to S, so it is also 70 degree. How will we make? First make by 70 degree by protractor. Only what we will do? We only measure it from here to here, and now we cut the arc. So it is 70 degree. Understand? Now question number 9. You will do yourself. Question number 9. Okay. In question number 9, what is? Draw an angle of 40 degree and copy its supplementary angle. So thank you everyone. Have a good day.